Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be going through Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 2 from Feb-March 2023. Right, this is paper 2 for extended students. So you all know the instructions, they are here. So before we start, I would request you guys, if you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, because you are going to get benefit of all these videos, and many more new updates are coming for new syllabus. So the first question that we have here is, we have a list of number. From the list of numbers, write down a cube number. So cube number is a number that can be written as cube of a number. Like here we have 27, which can be written as 3 power 3. So cube number is 27, right? Now a prime number. Now a prime number is a number that cannot be divided by any other number except the number itself and 1. So we have 29 here. So I will write down 29 here, right? Now question number 2, we have two vectors here, v and y. Find v minus y. So we are just going to put the values here. -1, 3, minus y is 2 and 5. So now we are just going to subtract this. So this is -1, -2, 3 and -5, right? So this is going to be -3, and 3 minus 5, it is -2. So final answer is -3 and -2. Okay. Now next one, here we have 2v. 2 into v, we are going to substitute the value of v here, which is -1 and 3. Now this 2 is going to multiply inside, so it is -2, and 2 times 3, it is 6. So -2 and 6 is the final answer, right? Now here is the question from vectors. On Venn diagram, shade A intersection B. So A intersection B is a common part which is in A and B together. So we have here this part. Number 4, we have these numbers here, 23, 17, 11 and 5. Write down the next term in the sequence. So first of all, we need to see the pattern. As you can see, the number is decreasing. So it is decreasing by 6. So -6, -6, -6. For the next term, we are going to subtract 6 from there. 5 minus 6, that will be -1. Find the nth term. So now nth term, the formula is a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term and n is the nth term and d is the common difference. So a, the first term here is 23 plus n minus 1 into -6, right? So this is going to be 23 minus 6n plus 6. So this 6 is going to multiply over here in the bracket. So we have here -6n plus 29, or we can write down 29 minus 6n. Now number 5, we have here factorize. Factorize, we are going to find out whatever is common. First of all, 2 and g. So 2, when you take out 2 from here, it will be 4. -2 is gone out, only 1 g is left. So this is the final factorization, 4 minus g. Without using calculator, work out 4 over 7 divided by 8. I can write down it 8 over 1. You must show all your working and give your answer as a fraction in its simplest form. Guys must read the instructions carefully so that you don't miss out any mark out of these easy questions. So now when we change this division to multiplication, this is going to be reciprocal, 1 over 8. Now 4 times 2 is 8. So we have here 1 over 14. That is the final answer, 1 over 14. Now solve this equation here. We have 15t plus 8. So I am bringing t on left hand side. So it will become plus t 4 is already there, then 8 will become negative on other side. 15 plus 1, it is 16t equals to negative 4, and t is going to be negative 4 over 16. So, which is 1 over 4, negative 1 over 4 is the value of t, right. Now, next we have another equation here. So, I am going to put 1 over here. So, then you cross multiply. When you cross multiply, it is 25 minus 2u times 1 will remain the same, equals to 3 times 2, it is 6, right. So, negative 2u is equal to 6 minus 25. So, 25 minus 6, it is 19, and we have negative 2u this side, divide by 2, divide by 2. We can put negative 2, so that we have this is gone, negative signs are gone. So, we have 19 over 2 answer, which can be written as 9.5, right, in decimals. Now, calculate 0.3 square, give your answer at standard form. So, 0.3 square, that means 0.3 and 0.3, it is multiplied twice. So, 9, 3 times 3 is 9, and 2 decimal places, we need to put decimal here. So, then this will be in writing in standard form 10 raised to power minus 2. So, 9 times 10 raised to power minus 2, right. Now, question number 9, solve the simultaneous equation 3x minus 2y equals to 19. So, now we need to make one of the coefficients same. So, it is easy to make here y the same if we multiply this whole equation by 2, and let me rewrite. So, this is 3x minus 2y equals to 19, and when you multiply 2 here, then it will become 2x plus 2y equals to 6. Now, as you can see, the coefficient here is same, right. So, we can add these equations. When you add this, 3 plus 2 is 5x, and this will become 0. 19 plus 6, it is 25, and x will be 5 from here, right. So, once we got x, then we can substitute this value in any of these equations. Now, the second one is the easy equation. So, x is 5 plus y equals to 3, and y is going to be 3 minus 5, which is negative 2. So, y is negative 2. So, we got the values. So, here we have x is now 5 and y is negative 2, right. Now, question number 10, you can see the triangles there. So, we have here triangle AXB and we have triangle CXD. So, let us first read the instructions that we are given over here. So, in diagram AB and CD are parallel. You can see it is shown with arrows here, this and this, they are parallel. AB and CD are parallel. The lines CB and AD intersect at X. So, they intersect here at X, and these lengths are given, and they are already given here. We have 1, 2, 3, and they have already mentioned there the length of BC. So, we are looking for length of this BC from here. Now, BC can be written as CX plus XB, right. So, we have XB, but we do not have CX. So, we are going to find out first of all CX here. Let me put it here as X. Okay. Now, as you can see, this triangle AXB and CXB, they are similar. How? Let me show you. This angle and this angle is same because they are vertically opposite angle. So, I will write down here in triangle AXB and triangle CXD, angle AXB is equal to angle CXD because they are vertically opposite, right. Then next we have here angle, this angle here and this angle. as you can see they form a Z shape here. So they are alternate angles. So let me put like this. So angle I can write down ABX is equal to angle DCX, because they are alternate angle, right? Similarly here we have this angle is equal to this angle, they are also vertical opposite angle. So angle BAX is equal to angle CDX, they are also alternate angles, right? So that means this triangle, therefore this triangle AXB is similar to triangle CXD, right? So now if they are similar, we can take the ratio of their sides. So if you take the ratio of the sides, here I am taking CX which is x over 2.7 will be equals to 7.5 over 3, right? So from here x is x which is a CX, so I am just writing here CX is equal to, which is x, 7.5 times 2.7 over 3. Once you calculate, it is 6.75, right? So this is 6.75, but we are looking for BX now, BC. BC is CX plus XB. CX is 6.75 plus XB is 2.7, which is already given. So total answer of the length is 9.45 centimeters. That is BC, right? So this is 3 marks question. You have to show all the steps here. Now number 11, find the highest common factor of 12 and 12x power 12 and 16x 16. So as you can see, 4 is common from here, right? And then x power 12 is also the part of this. So we will have here let me show you the other way. So here you can write it down 4 times 3 times x power 12, right? And this can be written as 4 times 4 x power 12 times x power 4, right? So which is common? What is common here? 4 and then x power 12. So 4 x power 12 is the factor, highest common factor here. Now question number 12, in a regular polygon the interior angles and exterior angles are in the ratio interior to exterior 11 ratio x. Now as you know that interior angle plus exterior angle, the sum is 180. So the ratio is 11x plus x is 180. So this can be shown like this. Here we have, this is x and this is 11x, right? So this is 12x equals to 180, then x is 180 divided by 12, which is 15. So we got x 15 from here. Now if we know that the formula of number of sides is 360 over degree over each exterior angle, right? So 360 over each exterior angle is 15, we just calculated. So 15 times 2 and times 4. So final answer is 24 sides. Okay. Now number 13, the diagram shows speed time graph for part of a car journey. Calculate the distance traveled during 10 seconds. So distance travel, as this is a trapezium, so it will be area under the graph, right? So as this is a trapezium, so we are going to use the formula of trapezium, half into a plus b, which are the parallel sides, and the height. Okay, so it is half. A is from here to here is 10, and this one is going to be, this is 8 here, and this is total we are taking from here to here, which is 10. So this is 10 plus 8 times height we have 10. So, this is 1 over 2 times 18 times 10. So, which is equal to 90, right. So, we are going to write down here answer 90 meters. Sorry, fine. Distance, this is distance. So, distance is area under the graph, that is fine. So, now we have here question number 14. The diagram shows a sector of a circle with center O and radius 9 centimeters. So, the length of the chord PQ is 6. Calculate the length of arc PQ. We are looking for this length actually. So, length formula we have length of arc AB or sorry, this is PQ here. Length of arc PQ is going to be theta over 360 times pi 2 pi r, right. So, now we need to know this angle theta, right. So, as we have these two sides, we can use cosine formula to find out the value of the angle, right. So, we have here cos of angle POQ, which is theta, is equal to let me just write down the formula, b square plus c square minus a square over 2a. So, here in this case we have 9 squared plus, as this is the radius, this is also going to be 9 centimeter. So, 9 square plus 9 square minus a is 6 squared over 2 times 9 times 9. So, this is when you calculate this, we can directly calculate the angle POQ is cos inverse of 9 square plus 9 square minus 6 square over 2 times 9 times 9. Directly plug in the values, you are going to get here 38.942 from your calculator, which is approximately 38.9 degrees, right. So, we got the angle. Now, once we got the angle, we can use the formula of length of arc. So, length of arc PQ is equal to theta over 360, theta is now 38.9 over 360 times 2 pi and r is 9. So, just plug in the values directly. So, you are going to get here 6.1223 significant figures, right. Now, next number 15 we have here, simplify 3125 w power 3125 and then whole power is 1 over 5. So, whenever you see these kind of questions, do not panic looking at the numbers. So, this you see we have 1 over 5, the hint is 1 over 5. So, this 5 must be cancelled. So, we should have something. So, 5 raised to power 5 is 3125, and then this is multiplied by 1 over 5, which is power outside, and then we have w also. It can be power of w is I can just write, I am just writing it directly, over 5, right. So, this 5 and 5 get cancelled. So, we are left with 5 here, and when you cancel this one, 5 times 6, 5 times 2 and 5 times 5, 5 and w power 625. So, that is the final answer, right. Now, y is inversely proportional to x squared. Y is inversely proportional, that means 1 over x square, right. So, removing the this sign, constant of proportionality, we will have k over x square. Now, when x is 3, y is 2, y is 2 and x is 3 squared. So, k is going to be 2 times 3 squared, 3 squared is 9, 9 times 2 is 18. So, we got k as 18. So value of k is 18. Now we can use this equation, y is equal to k over x squared, and we are looking for the value of y. K is 18 now, and x we are given 2. So 2 square. So 18 over 4, which is 4.5. So y is 4.5. So that's it for this video. Remaining question we will be doing in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in the next video. Be blessed guys. Kindly subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.